Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how iPhones are assembled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Each logic board is assembled and calibrated for peak performance. Tiny precision with microscopic precision. Every unit is assembled with micron-level precision to ensure durability and performance. Every iPhone is carefully tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how iPhones are assembled, from start to finish.